Good day everyone, welcome back to WILDCHILD Adventures. It's Hong once again, and in today's video we will be following up with the OpenRoad winch that I installed a couple of weeks ago. Now the remotes, the wireless remotes that came with it did not work, so they were DOA. And this week I did manage to get a package from OpenRoad with the new wireless controllers, and I believe there's another piece in here, so probably gonna have to open it up, the control box right here. I believe it should be going in here right there. I'm gonna open that up, maybe put that in, but as you can see we are ready to go. These are the old controllers that came with it. Now let's see, it's on right now, so I'm just pressing it, all that, and nothing works, right? And they did say at the parrot, you can try holding these two, the in and out, for 10 seconds. Let me just turn this on so you can see it's flashing, right? And then hold this for 10 seconds to pair it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? Is it still flashing? All right, so see, it's flashing right now, and nothing works. So what I'm gonna do now is we put these guys away and open this up. Hopefully this is a quick install. Right, so this is the new package, and this is the new box, wireless box, I believe. And okay, so we got power, ground, and I'm not sure what these are. These are the new controllers. Let's see, I'm gonna see if this works without installing this guy here. So let me just turn this on. If it does turn on. All right, so nothing turns on. Maybe I need to swap the batteries, maybe. Let me just check if there's any batteries in this, and I'll swap it out with the ones that are not working. All right, so I just quickly opened this up and does not come with batteries. I'm going to pop out the old ones here and just swap the batteries. So this is the previous wireless controllers. I can see the PCBs are different. This one's blue and this one is green. Now I'm just gonna pop these out. All right, so this is the old stuff. Just gonna leave this here, and I'm just gonna pop this in. I wonder, does it matter? Okay. It turns on. Let's see if I can actually pair it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just tried to pair it and see if it actually connected with the old wireless box, and it doesn't work. So okay, so I'm just gonna, I think I just turned this off like this. Yeah. Okay. Let's open the old box and get this installed. Okay, so here's the control box. Uh-oh. That's not good. Okay, so both screws are off. There we go. Let that screw out. All right, you got 2 more screws here to get the bracket off, and then there's 4 other screws here to get that opened up. We have the box opened, and then this is the wireless controller. Let's see, let me grab the other one. This looks a little different. This one has 5. Okay, so this blue one is not connected to anything. All right, so I just gotta disconnect everything, but before I do that, I will disconnect the winch from the negative terminal so I don't short out anything, and hopefully it's quick install. Doesn't seem like there's anything complicated. Just have to unclip the red here, this guy here, the white, black, and yellow, and just have to seat everything. Winch is unplugged. Now I just have to remove these slowly. I'm just gonna make sure I know what is what. So it's white, black, and yellow, because there's no, is there, okay, so this is white, we know that's white. All right, I'm just gonna disconnect one at a time, so nothing, hopefully, these feel a little fragile here. Oh, okay, so you can just, well, these are all daisy chained. Alright, so we got most of the connections off. Now just getting this guy off so I can put the new one on. So hopefully this will play nice and come off. It is a tight spot. Okay, so the old one's off now. So this is the old one. Okay, and then this is the new one. And all I have to do is pop this onto here. Get this guy back on. Okay, put the nut back on. This is a 13. Put this a little bit lower. Just gonna hand tighten it for a second. All right, I think this is the time to see if it actually works. So here's the new controller, and it works. How's this even working? There we go. Now I just have to just button up everything, and we are good. Alrighty folks, we are almost complete. I just buttoned up everything. As you can see, everything's back to normal. Alright, so the box is back there. And here's the new remote. And, oh, I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, it scared me there. It works. Alright, next thing I need to do is make sure the other battery is working. So just gonna do a quick swap here, and then make sure, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna make sure the controller is working still, the wired controller. Okay, one way. That. Okay, Wired controller works still. Oh, perfect. Okay, just gonna leave this here for now. And then let's get this guy back in. So what I did earlier off camera was I tried to use the old remote with the new controller, and it didn't work. So those two pieces are junk, and won't be using that. All right, so again, this is how the PCB, it's green, and the old one is blue. Just gonna put this in like that. These are weird looking batteries. Never seen these guys before. Okay. Okay, put this back in. Okay. Running out of battery again. Be right back. Just replace the battery, camera battery I mean. And let's get this guy in. Okay, let's turn this on. Make sure this is on. Focus. Okay, and it works. There you go. Wham! Awesome. That was a really quick fix, sort of a quick fix. All right, so both controllers are working. Let's turn it off. So this is the old wireless remote controller, and the setup was actually pretty ghetto, janky. Like, look at these. These are single pieces, and I was scared to actually pull too hard and rip breaking them. So I kind of did it off camera, but got it off. Anyways, this is junk. It doesn't work. This is gonna go into the electronic waste bin. Like that, and that is it, guys. So pretty easy fix. Just gotta take some time. Just trying to pry the little spades off. As you saw, it did come with no instructions. It just came in a saran wrap, Ziploc bag, and in the box. And I was like wondering what this was, and I just opened it up, and yeah, it was a remote. Again, big thanks to OpenRoad. Nicholas, who is the service manager, who responded pretty quick to my needs, and he got this remote out to me as quick as possible. And hopefully I get to use this on the trails, helping others, hopefully not myself, but yeah. So the only thing I need to do now is just tension the rope, which is kind of hard to do here, so I have to probably go out somewhere and do it, but I'm sure there's a lot of videos about that, so I won't be recording that again. All right, thank you. If you made it this far, thanks again. And if you did enjoy the video, please hit a like and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.